Hello and welcome back to the second part of our series. We are glad to have you here. In this section, it is about the detailed installation process of the automatic control valve for the bypass of my solar heating system. As you have already seen in the first video, my pool heating was previously controlled by a Belimo. The Belimo motor was specifically only activated when a specific control signal was received. When the signal, the TDR 2004, showed the outside temperature higher than the pool temperature, a continuous current was sent to the motor. The circuit for the solar heating was then opened. Once the power was cut off, the heating circuit was closed again. So, I only needed one control signal for the Belimo. You can see the circuit in the control computer here. The power source is connected to the two right cables. That is 220V. A part is now bridged. The blue cable and the brown cable are now connected to the Belimo actuator. As long as the mains voltage is indeed present, the motor opens the bypass for the solar heating. I will now dismantle this. After that, the connection of the two-way valve will take place. The new valve requires two signals. Here you can see the wiring diagram for better understanding, which is used for connecting the automated ball valve. With this circuit diagram, my TDR 2004 control computer can output two signals. The first signal opens the solar heating circuit. The second signal closes the solar circuit. The connection at the valve is made here on the side via a plug. You can find the additional information about the new ball valve in the first video. First, I will remove the old wiring. After that, everything will be rewired. You will see the result shortly. After a good hour, it is done. Everything is reconnected. In summary, the connection setup in the advanced TDR 2004 model is detailed as follows. To provide better clarity and ensure everyone can see the details, I will carefully hold up the printed version of the circuit diagram to the camera. This action will help us focus on the intricate components and layout of the circuit, allowing all viewers to follow along with the explanation and gain a thorough understanding of its design and functionality. The blue and brown cable at the back is the mains voltage. Again, 220V. To ensure safety, I carefully disconnect the neutral conductor, which is essential, from the mains connection. This is specifically referring to the blue cable, which is crucial in this context. For the setup, you will find that the blue cable, which is essential, then goes to slot number 1 in the designated connector. The protective conductor is directly connected in my large distribution box, ensuring safety in the system. I carefully installed the bridges in the control computer as specified in the circuit diagram and thoroughly checked everything. Finally, the brown and black cables were connected to the ball valve. The brown cable is depicted as the outermost layer in the drawing, providing essential protection and insulation to the inner components. This cable is crucial for maintaining the system's integrity and functionality. In the illustration, it is clearly shown as the outer cable, distinguishing it from other elements. The brown cable is securely connected at position number 2. The black cable is connected at position 3. The black cable is connected here in the TDR 2004. This circuit works successfully, and it functions perfectly. I just recently tested it. The temperature difference controller, TDR, is still open. I would like to show you the circuit inside the computer. The display is active and pump 1 is lit. The bypass is now closed and the solar heating circuit is open. This can be seen here at the red light. As you can see, it is clearly visible. The marking on the control knob is horizontal. The passage is therefore blocked. It is closed. The water must flow through the solar heating system efficiently and effectively. I am now going into the menu of the TDR. I hope you can see it well in the video. In the settings, the first relay is currently turned on. I will now briefly turn it off. The valve now opens automatically, allowing the water to flow directly into the pool. The water no longer flows through the solar heating system. There is now a beeping notification because I have overwritten the menu. The outside temperature is significantly warmer than the pool water. I activate the relay again. The water is now flowing back through the solar heating. The valve closes quickly. It takes less than 10 seconds. I can also open and close the valve manually by using the control panel or the physical handle attached to the valve. This allows for precise control over the flow of liquids or gases. Afterwards, I will install an additional mains switch. Then I can completely disconnect the motor from the power supply. Now I will first reassemble the control computer. I hope I was able to help you with my video. I searched for a long time for the right circuit diagram. The TDR 2004 control computer can output two signals with this circuit, one for open and one for close. It works very well. You are welcome to replicate this circuit. However, please observe the safety guidelines. The control computer, which has been successfully reassembled, is now fully operational and operates in automatic mode. The red light is off. The loud beeping has also been deactivated. The LED on the valve is red. The ball valve is closed. The water is flowing through the solar heating system. The LED is red because the heating makes the water warm. Warm water is also marked in red. Please consider subscribing to my channel and give me a like if my video helped you. A lot of pool technology is being installed here, and you definitely don't want to miss these videos, do you? Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, CIAO.